Hello there, welcome to Viet channel. Today we're going to talk about the word rồi, or you can pronounce like rồi in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. The first meaning of the word rồi is when you want to talk about something that has been done, and it belongs to the past time. So it means like the word already in English. For example, here we have Bạn ăn cơm chưa? Rồi, tôi ăn cơm rồi. So, bạn ăn cơm chưa seems like a reading sentence in Vietnamese, and it means, so have you eaten the rice? And the answer here is rồi, tôi ăn cơm rồi. It means, rồi means yes, yes. I have eaten, I have already. Rồi means already here. The first word rồi here means yes. Rồi, tôi ăn cơm, I ăn, eat, cơm, the rice or the meals. Rồi, tôi ăn cơm rồi. Rồi here means already. I've already eaten the rice. I've already eaten the meals. So here, rồi means already. Bạn ăn cơm chưa? Rồi, yes. Tôi ăn cơm rồi. Already, I've already eaten the meals, the rice. Another example here we have anh có người yêu chưa? Rồi, anh có người yêu rồi. Người yêu here means lover. Người means person or people. Yêu means love. So người yêu means lover. This question means anh có người yêu chưa means seems like to have you got a lover, a boyfriend or girlfriend, or it seems like a question or single in English, but in Vietnamese we ask like anh có người yêu chưa? So have you got a boyfriend or girlfriend, or have you got a lover? And the answer here is rồi, yes. Anh có người yêu rồi. Rồi, it means yes. Anh có, I have lover already. I've already have a lover. Anh có người yêu rồi. Anh có người yêu rồi. Rồi, anh có người yêu rồi. Anh có người yêu chưa? So, have you got a lover? Rồi, yes, yeah. Anh có người yêu rồi. I do. I already have a lover. So, I'm not single. And another example here we have em làm bài về nhà chưa? Rồi, em làm rồi ạ. So em làm do bài về nhà, bài exercise, về nhà. Về nhà means, so it seems like going home, going back home. But bài về nhà here we have homework. So the question here, em làm bài về nhà chưa? So have you done the homework? The answer here is rồi, yes. Em làm rồi. Yes, I've done already. I've done already. Em làm rồi. Rồi means already. I've done already. I've already done the homework. Means, so we want to, when you talk to someone who is older than you, so you put the you add the word at the end of the sentence to show that, to show your politeness for this person who we are talking to. So again, em làm bài về nhà chưa? Rồi, yes, em làm rồi ạ. I've already done this homework. So we have here, bạn ăn cơm chưa? Rồi, tôi ăn cơm rồi. I've already eaten the rice. Anh có người yêu chưa? So have you got a lover? Rồi, anh có người yêu rồi. I've already have a lover. Em làm bài về nhà chưa? Have you done the homework? Did you do the homework? Rồi, yes. Em làm rồi ạ. I've done the homework already. Another meaning of the word rồi is when you want to indicate something that is going to be done, that is going to be finished in a short time. And in this situation, the word rồi often goes with the word like sắp, mean soon, or gần. Now let's take a look at some examples. So here we have example, anh sắp đến chưa? rồi. Tôi sắp đến rồi. Anh sắp đến chưa? Đến means arrive. Sắp means soon. So are you going to arrive soon? Are you going to be here soon? In a while, in a short time. And the answer here is rồi. Tôi sắp đến rồi. Tôi sắp đến rồi. So here we have the word sắp. So sắp rồi. So I will arrive in a short time, in a while. I'm going to be there soon. So when you are talking about something that it will be done in a short time, that is going to be done in a short time, will be finished in a short time, and you say rồi, tôi sắp đến rồi. I'm going to arrive in a minute or something like this in a short time. So anh sắp đến chưa? Rồi, tôi sắp đến rồi. Sắp means soon or something is going to be happen in a while. Use the word sắp. So we say rồi, yes. Tôi sắp đến rồi. Sắp rồi. Something is going to be happen soon in a while. And now let's see what's the difference between these two sentences. Tôi sắp đến rồi and tôi đến rồi. So we can see here, without the word sắp, tôi đến rồi, it means so rồi. In this sentence, we have only the word rồi. We don't have the word sắp in this sentence. And rồi, tôi đến rồi here mean I've already arrived. So rồi here means already, like in the first situation we have rồi means already. So tôi đến rồi, it means I've already arrived. I've already arrived. Tôi đến rồi, it means I've already arrived. But if you say tôi sắp đến rồi, it means oh, okay, I'm going to be there soon. Another example here we have em sắp đi ngủ chưa? Rồi. Em sắp đi ngủ rồi. Rồi. Em sắp đi ngủ rồi. And here we have đi ngủ means go to sleep. Are you going to sleep soon? And you say rồi, em sắp đi ngủ rồi. So we can see here, sắp rồi, em sắp đi ngủ, go to sleep rồi. Okay, yes, I'm going to sleep maybe soon, right now, maybe soon, in a minute, in a short time. Okay, so here we have the combination sắp rồi. And you say em sắp đi ngủ rồi ạ. Rồi, em sắp đi ngủ rồi ạ. Em sắp đi ngủ chưa? Rồi, em sắp đi ngủ rồi. Sắp rồi means something is going to be happen in a while, in a short time. Something is going to be finished. Something is going to be done in a short time. So another example here we have sắp xong chưa? Gần xong rồi. Xong here means finished. So are you going to finish this work right now in a short time? And the answer here is gần xong rồi, or you can say rồi, gần xong rồi. Gần xong rồi here. So you see here gần. So this word gần, the combination here gần xong rồi is going to be finished right now in a short time. So you say gần xong rồi. And let's compare these two sentences. If you say gần xong rồi, it means something's going to be done right now. But if you say just xong rồi without the word gần, xong rồi, so rồi here means, xong rồi means I've finished, I've done this. Rồi here means already, rồi. Without the word sắp or gần, it means already. Xong rồi, I've already done this work. I've already finished. It means xong rồi. Okay, so sắp xong chưa? Gần xong rồi. When you want to talk about something that is going to be done in a short time. So we use the word rồi with this kind of word like sắp gần. Sắp gần. Sắp gần means soon, or when you want to talk about something is going to be happening in the near future. For example, here we have anh sắp đến chưa? Are you going to arrive in a moment, in a short time? Rồi, yes. Tôi sắp đến rồi. I will be arrived in a minute. Em sắp đi ngủ chưa? Are you going to sleep now in a short time or in a minute, in a moment? Rồi, em sắp đi ngủ rồi. Yes, I'm going to sleep soon. Sắp xong chưa? Are you going to finish in a moment? Gần xong rồi. Yes. So nearly finished. I'm going to finish it right now. And another meaning of the word rồi, it means like the word then in English. For example, so here we have the first example is tôi ăn cơm rồi xem TV. Ăn cơm rồi xem TV. Ăn cơm means eat the meal, so for eat the rice. Rồi then or after that xem TV. Okay, watch television. So tôi ăn cơm rồi xem TV. I eat the meal, then I'm going to watch the television. So here, rồi mean then or after that. Tôi ăn trưa rồi đi ngủ. Ăn trưa means having lunch. So to have lunch. So I have lunch rồi then after that I go to sleep. Đi ngủ means go to sleep. Đi goes ngủ. Đi means go. Ngủ means sleep. So I have lunch. Then after that I go to sleep. Tôi đi làm về rồi đi uống bia. Okay, so đi làm về means đi làm means go to work, but đi làm về means go back. So I go back home from work. So I'm coming home from work. Then rồi after that rồi đi uống bia, go to drink beer. Đi go uống drink beer. Beer means beer. So I coming home from work, then I go to drink beer. So here rồi means then or after that. Tôi ăn cơm rồi xem TV. Tôi ăn trưa rồi đi ngủ. Tôi đi làm về. Tôi đi làm về rồi đi uống bia. So we have two or more than two actions, two activities, and we have rồi, and we have rồi like then or after that. Another meaning of the word rồi, you can use this word to emphasize on what is considered definitely affirmable. For example, here we have đẹp lắm rồi. Đẹp lắm rồi. Đẹp means beautiful. Lắm means very. So it's very, very beautiful. Đẹp lắm rồi. For example, when your wife or your girlfriend have bought a new shirt or a new dress, and she asks you, how does it look like? And you have to say, đẹp lắm rồi. Đẹp lắm rồi means, oh, it's very beautiful, really beautiful. And you want to emphasize on something that is considered definitely affirmable. So you put the rồi at the end of the sentence. We have đẹp lắm rồi. Or I say đúng rồi. Đúng means right. Đúng rồi means, oh, it's absolutely right. Đúng rồi. Đúng rồi. So stress on the word rồi, like đúng rồi. Or đúng here means absolutely right. Đúng means right. Đúng rồi. Or next we have tất nhiên rồi. Tất nhiên means obviously, of course, of course. So tất nhiên rồi, oh, of course, absolutely, obviously, tất nhiên rồi. So tất nhiên rồi, affirmable here. So we say đẹp lắm rồi, đúng rồi, tất nhiên rồi. So the intonation like that. Đẹp lắm rồi, đúng rồi, tất nhiên rồi. And the last meaning of the word rồi, when you talk about the time, it means like last. Let's take a look at the examples here. We have tuần rồi, tôi bị ốm. Tuần rồi, tuần means week. Rồi means last week. Last week we have when we talk about the time here. Tuần rồi, last week, tôi bị ốm. I get sick. So tuần rồi, I got sick. Tuần rồi, last week, I got sick. So last week, I got sick. So tuần rồi, tôi bị ốm rồi. So here, when I talk about the time. Tuần means week. Rồi means last week. Tuần rồi means last week I got sick. Or I can say tháng rồi. Tháng means month. So tháng rồi means last month. Last month. Tôi đi biển. Go biển. Beach. Last month I went to the beach. Last month I went to the beach. Tháng rồi. Last month. So when you talk about the time, you can use the word rồi, means last week, tuần rồi, last month, tháng rồi. But I want to say that in this situation, the word rồi is used like last when you talk about the time. It's not really common in Vietnamese, but some people say it like that. Tuần rồi, tháng rồi, or năm rồi, last year. So that's it for the word rồi. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching.